Emergency healing for the J.
Oh, what the oh, it's you.
You should hear the noises going through my headphones right now. It's got like it's got caught on the bit where your tank was being hit, and it's just like.
Nice.
I kind of need to move. You're gonna die.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was like being in hell. The noises. Okay, it's not even over actually. Actually, you know what? It is the sound of people, and it's been like morphed. That's why it sounds so fucking horrible. I'm actually gonna. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna record this just in case I can catch it.